Hey fellas, welcome back to my videos, and we have the Dewalt impact driver, most common tool on the construction side I think, and I think you can spot the problem. It's working intermittent when the switch is slowly pressed. So let's open it, and I hope let's try to fix it. If we will be able to unscrew the screws for the housing. Okay, you have some dust here. And probably you know what we will do here. We will lift it. Let's try to disconnect the LED light, because we really don't want it to be here. Okay. Okay, of course we have the hammering bars here, and okay, they look pretty nice. Of course, that's different with what we will compare it, but for this tool it looks pretty nice. Okay, what I want to do, I want to get this gear in a place, the O-ring here, and I will put it aside, because we know that our main problem is in the controller here. So we need to wash it a little bit. Let's try to do it like that. Okay, now it's a little bit cleaner here, and it's grease. Okay, I think you all know what we will do here. And as always, it's more comfortable to do that with a knife. Okay, the silicone don't want to release it. Okay, so let's open it, and what we are checking here, we are checking this switch. Okay, I will try to zoom it in. Okay, my camera can't do any more. Okay, so you can see that we have the dirt and grease here, so I'll clean it. Okay, now I will use some alcohol. Most of the time alcohol is for me, not for the tool, but this time it's a little bit different. Just cleaning it. Zooming the camera out. Drinking the alcohol. Okay, and now I need to put the switch back. Pushing the rubber. Not got it in a place at the first time. Just pushing like that. Okay, almost here. Have some dirt here, we'll clean it. Okay, just sprayed it with the brake cleaner. Trying to push the spring in place. Okay, the spring is in place. We have the, I hope this one will not pop out. We have the terminals here. Okay, and if everything looks good here, we can try to close it. Don't want to move the button with the spring. Okay, now we need to press it to be closed. This one looks to be almost closed. Okay, this one is closed, this one is closed, this one is closed. So we have our switch nicely assembled here, and let's try to run the motor. And it doesn't want to go to the one side. Let's check it. Oh, okay, it seems it's going, so let's assemble it. And turn it on like that. Okay, for the O-ring. Okay. changing all the wires. Okay, the motor with the gear housing is in place. I will go for the sticker. Okay, the sticker will go here. Now I need to close the housing. Put the direction changing button. Just check it if the direction changing is working. Okay, I hope I have assembled it good. Let's check it. Okay, so that's nice, that's good, it's working. Press thumbs up and buy.